Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Well, Veru, guys, Veru. Now, a couple things. It was actually an AI alert at 1484. We would look at that, go, it's pretty late, but evidently no filters were satisfied until that point. 1484, but it did get up to 1601. Now, if you were following the news on this one, you can see there's a big bottoming. This is pre-market, okay? This is 845. All sorts of different takes on the news. The FDA saying, you know what? There's some, things that we've got to really look at, and then other FDA reports. You know what? It's okay. So this was a real challenge. You can see what happened. Look at this 845 candle all the way up here, and then another FDA announcement came out saying, "Hey, wait a minute." Anyway, the bottom line is obviously the bulls just took this one. From 11 all the way up to almost 16, and it kept winning race after race after race. Whoops, in our right here, won 8 races, the leaderboard. So keep an eye on this one. I mean, it still has some room to go if it wants to, but you got to be awfully careful. I guess they're having some kind of a committee meeting later on this week. All right, everybody, want to get back into the room, so have a great evening, and we'll see you at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning in the room.